Okay, so this is an instant read meat thermometer, and it's Lightning by ThermoPro. This is the box, so it comes, you know, packaging is beautiful. It comes with a screwdriver, and this had a AAA battery in it, but I already put that in the thermometer. So right out of the box, you have it ready to go. When you lift the needle, it turns on, and then you can go between Fahrenheit and Celsius. It gives you some temperatures on the back, you know, for different meats and wellness. Has a nice grip on it, so you're not gonna drop it. It can be easily cleaned, and one of the coolest features is that it is magnetic. So you could put it, you know, on your oven, stove, barbecue, refrigerator. Really cool, high quality. I like the packaging of it. It's just, you know, you can tell they put care into it. So definitely recommend. And then once you fold it, it turns off. So Lightning by ThermoPro, super cool meat thermometer.